Over the last year I've been working on a weapon toolkit plugin for Unreal. It works with Mover out of the box and includes full rollback support for server authoritative multiplayer games. It's not possible to implement rollback with default Unreal networking, so this plugin is built on top of the network prediction plugin. Here you can see we can use Unreal's visual logger to scrub through the character history and validate the projectile hits. This is a really useful tool to improve debugging and can help with any pesky off by 1 frame errors. The custom editor has been designed around quick iteration, allowing designers to switch out weapon behaviors and see results in real time. Weapons have been split into separate functionalities so that they can be templated for easy reuse or modified inline. An example of this could be a standard clip behavior being switched out for an overheat behavior that requires cooling down if it gets too hot. Any parameter changes will also be applied instantly, so that you can see the difference between how a gun with hit scan acts compared to slow projectiles, or what your recoil pattern looks like with more kickback. You can also set up any emitters, which are projectiles in this example, but could be a beam or something else more unique in your own game. In the preview panel, you can change the current loadout of the gun, including current skin, which is using the mutable plugin to generate the mesh. Then we have attributes, which are a way of dynamically changing how a gun works or looks at runtime, and can be assigned by using attachments. The list on the right shows all attributes and which behavior or projectile they're assigned to. In this example, our first attachment increased clip capacity and added an extended mag onto the model, and our second attachment is creating a new blue projectile when the first hits an object. We can keep stacking these attachments so that we increase the amount of extra projectiles created, apply gravity, reduce travel speed, and also add a balance to each projectile, including the newly spawned ones. Hopefully you can see how powerful this editor should be for setting up new weapons and iterating on them quickly. Once you're finished tweaking, just load up your play and editor again and test them out in real time. I'd love to know your thoughts on the plugin. Is this something that you'd like to use? How much do you think is a fair price? Are there any other features that you think would be great to have? Thanks.